In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a reference in Mendeley. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open Mendeley and you want to click on the reference you want to edit. So, for example, I'm going to edit this one over here. I'm going to click on it. And then as you can see here under info, there's a bunch of different things. Now, you can edit pretty much anything over here by just clicking on it. So up top, it says change. You can change it for whatever it is. For example, journal article, magazine, if it's a report, whatever. You can change it here. You can click on the title itself and you can just type in whatever you want over here or delete it, remove it, whatever. And then under key information, same thing goes. Click on it and you can change it manually, okay? So you can change, for example, the year here, the month, you can change whatever you want, okay? And of course, if you make a mistake, you can just come back and change it again to whatever it was before. You can do this literally for anything over here, and then you can add files, you can add tags, you can add it to a collection, and then here if you find an identifier which you don't have yet, you can just add it over here, and it's going to automatically kind of update all these fields for you via the info available. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.